Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in today's episode we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100 and shortly after the S&P 500 price charts. Let's start off here with the NASDAQ 100. Now on Friday we had another negative trading session to finish off the week. We had the non-farm payrolls figure come out. It was expected to be at around 404,000 jobs created in the month of December. However, we had a number which was much shorter of that, and we reported a number of 199,000 jobs created in the month of December. So nearly half of what people were estimating, and of course that's a bad number for the US economy. But typically speaking, this should favour for tech stocks, because this could potentially scare or ask second questions to the Fed. Is this seriously the right time to be hiking interest rates? Okay, I can see the argument for accelerating the tapering process, but is this we currently got a new variant. Nearly every other person is currently infected with this virus. People, record numbers of people are currently off work. Is this right now the right moment to be announcing that we're going to be hiking interest rates in March? Why not wait a few more months just to see what happens as we go into the summer months? So that's the big question that's going to be asked. Will the Fed come out and comment something positive with regards to this news, especially with the job numbers not being as strong as anticipated? We will all find out very shortly. But the NASDAQ 100 didn't like that news, and it continued to fall on Friday. But one thing that's interesting is that these sell-offs typically have a lifetime span of 4 trading days. And Tuesday was negative, Wednesday was negative, Thursday was negative, and now Friday, of course, was negative as well. So that's 4 trading sessions in a row now. We've been trading in the red. So if history was to repeat itself on Monday, we should see a nice bounce. I myself am a Telegram group are long on the NASDAQ 100. If you would like to learn our strategy, make sure you subscribe to our streaming service. It's only $19.99, an absolute bargain. But the big question is whether we can trade towards the upside. It might be that we go and trade towards this uptrend that we've been trading in all the way since May 2020. And that wouldn't be the end of the world. That could see us move down towards 15,450, 15,400, and then eventually I do anticipate a bounce back up towards a 50-day EMA, which is trading just around at 16,000 there. If we can break above that, that's when we go and retarget the highs. But I really do like the NASDAQ 100. I think it offers fantastic value. We've had nearly a 6% decline from those highs. If I just switch them around quickly. So, all the way down at 50,500 from the highs, we're now down 7%. So this is the typical correction that you can see in the indices, and sometimes you can see it go down to 10%. If we did go down 10%, that would take us all the way down to 15,000. I personally don't see us going that far. As I mentioned, we will be well supported by that uptrend. Let's go and have a look at the S&P 500. S&P 500, different to the NASDAQ 100, we're still above that 50-day EMA, and that's probably because the value stocks have been holding up this basket. Don't forget, the NASDAQ 100 is a basket of growth stocks, high-value tech stocks, where the S&P 500, it does have some of those high-growth tech stocks like Apple, for example, but on the flip side, it also has many value stocks and what you like to call the reopening trade with banks, etc. So it's been well supported by certain industries, and we're still trading above that 50-day EMA. In fact, I think this offers a fantastic trade right now. I just sent out a buy signal on Friday to our signal team and streaming service team. Don't forget, if you subscribe to a streaming service for $19.99, you do then get access to our private Telegram signal team as well. And I sent out a signal around this area here. I'm not going to share with you my complete entry and exit strategy for this trade, but I do fully anticipate us to trade and recover from these current levels. We've also had 4 trading sessions in a row where we traded in the reds, and typically speaking, if history was to repeat itself, we would see a bounce. So NASDAQ 100, S&P 500, yes, it's been a hard start to 2022, but this can be expected. The Fed has come out, he's announced that they're going to accelerate the tapering process, and to expect anywhere between 2 to 3 interest rate hikes. But the market right now is kind of already digested, or is currently in the process of digesting this negative news that the Fed has announced. And if there was any altercations with regards to the tapering process or interest rate hikes, when I say altercations, what I mean is if there was another variant that was potentially more deadly than the current one that is getting passing through people very rapidly, then that could potentially sway the Fed's decision to hike interest rates at such a rapid pace. So there's plenty of positives that could still send this market higher, but on the flip side, there's also plenty of negatives that could send it lower. But I like the market at these levels, and I've put some work I'll put some money to work late into the closing hours on Friday. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have 2 subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.